LF25ZTB. When we look at this, you'll see here that it was first registered on the 3rd of March 2025, but the MOT expires on the 20th of January 2027. It only has 346 days remaining. When you go down to the bottom of the V-check, you will see MOT history, 21st of January 2026 at 512 miles. So it's been MOT'd early. Now, then you go to mileage records, 27th of October 2025 at 508 miles. Salvage, 21st of January 2026 at 512 miles MOT. So the guy's had it MOT'd early, obviously to see whether it'll pass before he sells it to somebody. But if you see here, previous keepers, the first owner, 3rd of March 2025, 8 months and 4 days. The second owner and the current owner, 6th of November 2025, 3 months and 2 days. He bought that at 508 miles, and now he's selling it at 512 miles. Here's the photos in Newbury, UK Salvage, Monday 27th of October 2025. That's the vehicle. Doesn't look horrendous, I've got to say. Sale date 27th of the 10th 2025, 508 miles. Damage to this vehicle is rear end and front end. So nothing there. We look at the back and it's caved in at the back there. No sign of airbags going off there. That's a close-up damage of the front. So it looks like it's been sandwiched or knocked into something from the impact at the back. The unfortunate thing is when you look at the boot floor, this tells a completely different story. The damage doesn't look too bad, but you see those plugs, they're rubber plugs, drain plugs, that should be flat. So that crease there, the boot floor has been impacted and smashed in, and you can even see it up here. It's all creased. There ain't a snowball's chance in hell that you could straighten that boot floor. Absolutely none. Looks like it's been hit by a submarine with all the damage there. I don't know what it's hit, but it looks like the damage is predominantly along the floor and not up here on the boot. I wouldn't know what or how that's happened. That is awful. Bearing in mind the battery's just further up here, it's along the same lines as the boot floor, fastened in along the chassis. Now that car, 4 miles after it was written off, is for sale by a private seller on Auto Trader, 512 miles, Cat S, 14999, outside a private house. There's no disclosure about it being a write-off at all. Nothing anywhere about it being a write-off. All you've got is that Cat S there. That's the back. I mean, even that doesn't look particularly good round there. That was the front wing where it was damaged. But a few months after it being written off, it's for sale by a private seller on Auto Trader. I can pretty much guarantee that the integrity of that battery has not been checked, or any damage on the inside of the battery. The battery won't have been removed and checked for any splits. Who knows what's waiting to bite some unsuspecting customer that buys that.